Hi, my name is Dr. Lorraine Wong, and I'm the clinical director of the Feeling Good Institute in Mountain View, California. I decided to make a quick video on stress eating since I've noticed a lot of my clients are struggling with this right now during this time. And not just my clients, my friends, colleagues, myself. I think it's pretty common during this time of uncertainty. In fact, I have an acronym that I've been using called BOLTS because there are these triggers defined by B for boredom, U for uncertainty, L for feeling lonely, T for feeling tired, and just S in general, experiencing stress, are pretty common triggers to activate overeating and stress eating. And the reason why we do that is when we overeat, it helps us manage these feelings that we're having that are quite uncomfortable. So the good news is there's lots of really powerful tools and methods that we can use through TEAM CBT to help reduce overeating and stress eating. So the first thing that we would start out with is exploring motivation to change or any resistance that comes up. And when it comes to overeating, there's a lot of resistance naturally because eating food or snacking, number one, it's just instant gratification. It numbs us typically when we are feeling stressed or anxious. And it's right here. It's easy. It's in our houses. So it's an easy thing to be able to overeat now more than ever. So the first step we would do is really target what's getting in the way of helping you stop overeating, because more than likely you don't want to. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with snacking and eating and enjoying food, but when you're using it to help manage all of these uncomfortable feelings, it can cause a lot more distress for you in the long run. So with TEAM CBT, after we explore resistance, we have some really cool tools that we can roll out. For example, the first thing we'd want to do is teach you how to use a habit addiction log. And that's for any type of behavior that we want to change. It's pretty systematic because we can help you yourself identify the individual feelings that you're experiencing before you reach for a snack. And then we're going to help identify all of those tempting thoughts. And they're there. I mean, my goodness, even for me, if I know, that there's some good cookies outside or ice cream, that's tempting in itself because it's yummy. And when I am tired and I've worked several hours in a row, I want to reward myself sometimes with a snack. So I might tell myself, I don't want to just take a break now and go get something to eat. The thing is, there's nothing wrong with that. But during this time, we can do that a lot more because it's so accessible. And again, because we're experiencing so much stress. So we'd help identify all of those tempting thoughts. And then with a tool called the Devil's Advocate, we could teach you how to really talk back to those thoughts and certain skills and techniques and accountability steps that we can help you take so you don't actually go ahead and overeat. So those are just a few methods and tools that we can help you here at the Feeling Good Institute to help manage stress eating and lots of other things. So feel free to reach out and give us a call, or you can reach out to us online, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much.